Seedance 2.0 is out right now and everybody is testing it for the cinematic AI films or maybe for the high action scenes. But I wanted to test something grounded like the AI UGC ads or maybe something for the AI influencer. And from the last 2 days testing, I had to tell that it impressed me a lot. So first of all, we're gonna test its image to video capabilities, then the video to video capabilities, which is my most favorite part. And lastly, we're also gonna test it with the audio to video. Well, LoveArt AI also has some pre-made templates for Seedance 2.0. And they also have skills for the Seedance 2.0. So if I just click on this Seedance 2.0 video creation, you can see we have multiple options. We have the product promotion video. So if I just click on that, you can see we have a pre-made prompt template over here. Now you can upload your relevant images, means your product image and your influencer image. Then you can paste what you want your influencer to say. I'm using the ChatGPT script, and once we paste it, it generates. So as you can see, the AI agent is thinking about it. It's adding the audio, it's finalizing all of the visuals what we need. Now it may ask you a few things, what type of voice you want, what outfits you want, and you can simply tell it and this will continue that. Like we have the multiple angles of our model, we have multiple angles of the serum, which is perfect. You can hit continue and here is the output.
Okay, wait, why is my skin actually glowing today? I've been using this C-tone serum for a few days. It's super lightweight, absorbs instantly, no greasy feel. My skin looks brighter, smoother, like actually alive. It's giving natural glow, not fake shine.
And another method is that click on a new project. So I have been testing this on the LoveArt's website, and to access this, click on the video section, and from here you can select the Seedance 2.0. Now the main problem with the Seedance 2.0 is that it doesn't support the realistic faces. Well, a lot of platforms have been facing this problem, but to tackle that, LoveArt gave us the option to upload the character face to their library. And as you can see, I have uploaded some of the characters over here, some of the videos over here, and some audio files. So instead of uploading your images to this image section, make sure to upload your images to this asset library. So once you have uploaded, go to the image section, select the assets from the library. So let's select this model for now, and we're also gonna upload the image of our product. But for product, you don't have to upload the images to the assets library. You can upload it directly. Then I use this simple prompt. She's talking about this lip gloss. She's giving her review that she's obsessed with this lip gloss. It's a UGC style video. Well, you can also tag the images or the videos by pressing the @, but I just wanted to test it without that. And this is the output.
Obsessed with this one. This has replaced my other one that was a little bit more expensive. I can't remember the name of it, but I've been wearing this every single day and my lips feel amazing.
And this one was actually impressive. I'm not saying this is perfect. We have some slight flaws in this one. The voice is really good. The glitch over here is that few frames before, she was holding a complete lip gloss, and the very next frame she's only holding the applicator. So this is the only glitch. I mistakenly selected a wrong aspect ratio, but other than that, things looks really good. And this time I'll be using this model, and I want to generate a get ready with me style of video. So it's a lengthy prompt. I'm selecting the maximum duration, 9:16, and let's see what that gives us. Okay, so it's a pretty good start. She's applying some makeup.
I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed.
Overall, this one is a pretty decent output. We haven't mentioned a lot, but with just a single reference image and this much of prompt, I think this one was a really good output. Now let's move on to my favorite part, that is video references. Again, if you are using any video, make sure to upload it inside of the assets library. So this is the reference video that I'm gonna be using. Then go to the video references, select your reference video, then select your model. This is gonna be a model, and as I mentioned earlier that you can upload your product images directly. And my prompt is gonna look like this. Analyze this video, I mentioned that video, and generate a new video using this image. So I referred this to our character image where she's wearing this dress. I also mentioned the dress image. This is a get ready with me video, UGC style video, and here is the output. This is amazing. Obviously I cannot play the music is going on the background, but look at the output. So it actually has the DNA of the previously uploaded reference video, but this is now generated with our own character, with our own product image. So just imagine how good this actually look. So if you are seeing this, if you're watching this on the Instagram, you cannot tell that this is AI. This is getting so realistic. Well, there are some minor flaws in this one, but the 99% of the video is just a masterpiece. So just imagine using this model, what you can do right now. So this was the reference video. Just to give it a context, this is a model and I uploaded these two images of this dress because I wanted this woman to wear this dress, and look at the output. This is a very short output, but the results are very impressive. And here's another output using the same prompt, same video reference. And this one is not as impressive as the previous one. I like the previous results more, but this one is also really good. In this one, I think the face has been changed a little bit, but the previous results are really good. So if you have any product, if you have any clothing brand, now you can do whatever you want using this model. So this was just a quick go through on the AI UGC, but if you want me to cover a detailed masterclass on the AI influencer, and I'll cover a detailed video on the AI influencers. So that's it from today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.